Hello and greetings. We are on the scene at the Miami Yacht Show aboard this gorgeous Galleon 680, literally at the helm here. And I am here with Nathan Heber, and we are talking all things MarineMax app. Hello, nice to have you.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it. And this beautiful yacht.
I know, not the worst scenery you've been on, right?
No, I'll do a meeting here anytime.
So, tell me, let's start basics. What is the MarineMax app?
So we built the MarineMax app to make it easier for our owners to communicate with their store, order service, interact with brands, and really just to make boating easier for them.
No, I mean, everybody needs a little more time in their life, so I'm sure that our owners will very much appreciate that. What are some of the things that people can find in the app?
So when you first come into the app, you'll find your store and you'll see all the services that they offer there. You can see activities, classes, information about demo days, women on the water events, trainings. So really everything that MarineMax has to offer.
Oh, which is a lot. We know we've got getaways, we've got events, classes, multiple boat shows. So with service, I know that sometimes, that's one of the things people always have to deal with a boat. How does it make it easier for people when they're taking care of normal maintenance on their vessel?
So we've made it extremely easy to place a service request. All you need to do is a couple clicks on your smartphone and you can submit your request to your local store. So say you get home from work, you forgot to call the store, you're coming out that weekend, you want it cleaned, just 2 buttons and submit your request and we'll be in touch with you to clean your boat.
That's awesome, because I always have random fleeting thoughts at the oddest hours, like 10:30 p.m. I can't call them now. Gosh, I hope I remember. So.
And a surprisingly high percentage of our requests come after hours.
Yes, I bet. So that makes it super convenient. And within the app, I bet it tracks a bunch of your activities, so you know what your service history and all that.
That's exactly right. So all your service requests are tracked in the app, so you have an order history. So it makes it easy for you to keep a maintenance log without having to manually do it yourself.
No, that would be nice. I need that for my car. So where can people find this glorious app?
So we've tried to make it as easy as possible. You can go to the App Store or Google Play, depending on your device. And if you're not sure exactly where to go or you have some trouble finding it, just go to marinemax.com/app, and whatever device you're on will take you to the right place from there.
All right, you heard it here, folks. MarineMax app helps make boating easier. #boating made easier.